So when is a rope not a rope and actually a line? Well, when you hook it to a boat, of course. This is John the Net Guy, and I'm on my 24-foot cabin cruiser today, and we're checking out a few marine products. The next item that we're looking at is from Amarine. Now, these are 25-foot by half-inch dock lines. They're double braided nylon, which is very, very strong, can hold thousands of pounds depending on the size and rating. And in most cases, a half-inch line is going to work for up to a 26, 28-foot boat. Now, I've got a bunch of other lines aboard here, kind of like this everywhere. And over time, they're going to start to fray and wear. I really liked this brand because they seem to hold up here. They're very, very strong. They have minimal stretch in them, which is important when you have dock lines. And they come very conveniently tied here, probably better than I can put them back away. Now, these happen to be 25 feet, which I find is the best length if you're wanting to do a spring line. That is to go from one dock cleat to the boat, when you want to go from one dock cleat to the boat and back down to another, or vice versa. So when we put these spring lines together, if it starts getting windy, this can protect your boat, and you can never have enough lines. Another neat thing about this is if you only need 10 feet and you have a 25, you can tie the other end off and coil it up. There's no offense in that. But I would always go larger if you can, at least 15 feet and up to 25 like I have here. This comes in a 4-pack and it comes pre-spliced here at the end. I love ropes, and I was a Boy Scout. I love tying knots, but honestly, this stuff I hate doing. And so they come already pre-spliced here at the end, so you don't have to worry about that. This makes it so you can flip right through a cleat, loop around and pull, and you're ready to go. These can also be used as mooring lines, people will call them. You can also use them to tow things if you have to in a pinch. I have, but again, go with larger line as much as you can. And when you loop them up, the one thing I like about this brand is it comes with these convenient Velcro straps. You don't have to buy anything. So depending on what size you have of a loop, or maybe you have a little extra, you can go ahead and tie it off like so and loop it around. So this is from Amarine, and I've used this product before. This is another set I'm buying now for this boat, and I've really enjoyed them. This has been John the Net Guy. Thanks for watching.